What's going on, family? I am outside of the HogOn Cafe right now, just summing up a few things and picking up my stickers. So I got stickers. I'm actually going to be adding this to a promo pack that I'm going to be putting together. So for those who support the movement, I'm going to actually put together something with some stickers, t-shirts, a couple more things. I'm trying to put together a kit for when I kick off the grand opening, you know what I mean? So I want to be able to those who help support them. I have like a grab bag that I'm trying to help kick off to get things going. So it's actually going to be I don't know the price right now, but I'm gonna make it where it's affordable and it's like a good deal. And then you're also helping, kick the school off, kick the cafe off, so I can actually get the ball rolling to open up more doors. So we're gonna do a lot, but we got to start from somewhere. And then I have a few followers and subscribers who have already asked me for stickers, a few supporters who have already asked me for some. So make sure I get some of these to y'all, make sure I get some. So I'm excited about them. So now I can start getting them. I got actually a file made now, and they pretty cool, man. Like, they came out pretty cool. Once you get them, you're gonna be like, man, I like them. That's one thing she said. I really like the graphics on your hog. Whoever did it, they did a real good job. So just wanted to give y'all a heads up on that, let you know what's going on for the day. And about to get ready to go home, man, relax, kick my feet up a little bit, figure out what my next move, make sure that my next move is my best move. Hog on.